So if you're wondering why you have all this white spot look like powder on your leaves, or even if you see like your leaves are dying, your plants are dying, your production is slowed down, this is powdery mildew. Due to the hot weather, cold weather in the night, high humidity, this will happen on your zucchini, squash, pumpkin plant and stuff like that. But do not get mixed up with this variety. Some people get mixed up. This variety right here, you see this? If you go like this, it's like silver white, nothing comes out from your hand. With the powder mildew, it will stick on your hand. You will see a little powder dust. This is just a different variety. Plant right here, this powder mildew will spread to your whole garden. You could remove some of the lower leaves, but if you have it on the top, you cannot remove too much leaves. You will destroy the plant. I'm going to show you what I'm mixing to get rid of this. So right here I have baking soda with a gallon of water. You could add soap inside, or you could add a little bit of vinegar too, but today I'm only going to use baking soda. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. I'm going to put a lot extra because I want more. I'm going to put that in there and just mix it up. You're going to need a spray bottle. I'm using this temporary small one. And you want to make sure, do not spray this in the morning time. If you spray it on the morning time on your leaf and the sun comes out within the next hour or two and your leaf is still wet, it will burn your plant. So do not do it in the morning. Come in the evening time when the sun cools down and then spray it on top of your leaf and spray it underneath of your leaf. You could also use neem oil. It helps a little bit, but I did this before and it worked. You just have to do it twice a week. So I'm going to show you on one of my leaves, which I don't care if it got burned. So look, we spray it and look, it's washing off. If you spray regular water, it's not going to fully go. It will come right back or even stay on. With the baking soda, it will help a lot. So you want to spray this even in time. Please do not burn your leaf and blame Green Tea Garden. All right. And look, easy and simple. So you could see most of it is washed off compared to that. If you cut out the bottom leaf, do not leave it in your garden. So believe it or not, that's how simple it is to deal with powdery mildew. It's not going to guarantee to get rid of it for forever, but you have to repeat this process twice a week. Do this if you're doing it Monday, do it Monday evening, and then come back Friday or Saturday and then do it again. So this way you keep battling it and you're gonna win. Your garden's gonna win. And if you do not take care of this problem, it will take care of your plant, and you're not gonna have no production, much less a plant. This powdery mildew really attacks your plant really fast and will take out your whole plant. Do not let this go. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, add some vinegar if you need, or a little bit soap. Spray on top of the leaf and under the leaf in the evening time only. Please, only. Do not burn your leaf. And for everybody who's been watching, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. For all my new people, if you're watching, please hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free. And if you click the bell icon every time I upload a video, you will get it right away. And I really do appreciate if you subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And my channel's been growing amazing. And, my goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers. So please don't forget to share my videos to help others so we could all grow a better home garden for free. Literally free.